And so handsome.
Thank you so much.
Yes, welcome.
Ulat kajela UCH Vijay Shankar hakalai potrik nokpra ulawan sakhi ke jingrakhe lengkho sngia bashispa nripuar jong Kiang Nangbah unong yele lai lut balaburom bha jong kajai binriu penar ubalaya lam ya kajing yakhi persya iki sipai pareng ya kini kajing rakhela penlong da kasenra jawai hamen koi perdi lom perdi yong pia ha kajing don lang ru MLA ke jawai mawailat miki Syllad ulat kejela ula senyang Syllad nripuar hajar tengka syaka senra jawai Kum kajing itu ia kajing tresi tom jongki ban penek pensa ia riti dustur bat kaniam karukom jong kajai benriu penar. Ha kajing keren ulat ulaya ro ia kajing itenat bat jing kut jong kasor jawai da keba pensyong nong rim ia kajing simkhia jong kipai ba ban penek pensa ia kamariang. Ulat ulaya ro ru ia kajing slur bat kajing kut jengmut jong Kiang Nangbah ban iada ia kaniam bat kol syur jong kijai benriu penar. Ulat ulaya ru ia kasenrat jawai kabala ai tilut ban penek pensa ia riti dustur jong kajat benriu lingba kikam kum katama sa be dingklam bat katama sa chat sukra ula banjur ia kajing don kam ban kenmau ia ke history bat ban yada ia riti dustur na kebenta ki pateng banwan hakini kesila don lang ru deputy commissioner jong ka West Jaintia Hills district uba BS Solia Superintendent of Police West Jaintia Hills ma Chempang serti doloi elaka jawai ma Puramon Kenjing Presiden Kesenraj ma Hercules Toy bat General Secretary Senraj ma Arwat Ki Sumer hakani kesi kesenraj jawai kalapun kup burom ya ulet Roskil Chalam let Niwel Chalam let Campbell Shulai bat Mamai Lalu ubalayok khur tak marupa ha kejingya kop arm wrestling kabala long ha Mumbai Hashua kejingalang kum kadak ban burom ya ukhlawat karilum Jaintia la lejbu sentiu ru ha umot dur jong Kiang Nangbah badon hatrai kejat ulum molikso.
The beauty of nature and beauty of this city, so clean, so neat. It shows your commitment towards cleanliness. It shows how importance you people given to maintain your own city in that way, particularly in this program for assembled here, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to stand before you today to pay a tribute to a true hero of our land, Kiang Nangbah. He rose from humble beginnings to become the leader of Jaintia community during 1862. He being a freedom fighter who challenged the mighty British Empire, his courage and determination to defend, preserve and protect the religious and cultural values of the Nor people are a source of immense pride for all of us. This rebellion was not only about a political resistance, but also about protecting the sacred traditions, culture and moral values, which defines our identity. Kiang Nangbah, the leadership especially in the face of diversity, adversity, is a timeless example of sacrifice and unity among us. His legacy continues to inspire us today to protect and preserve our culture and reminding us of the importance of standing firm when we face these challenges. I would also like to take a moment to praise Saintos Jawai, an outstanding cultural and also a religious organization that has been a guiding light for the North people. Through its active role, its commitment and concern in preserving sacred traditions of the community by organizing Belen Plum Festival and Chau Chukra Youth Festival, etc. Syllad has ensured that our cultural identity remains vibrant and strong. Their unwavering dedication to environmental sustainability, social welfare, and protecting of sacred sites are commendable. And they continue to inspire the community in preserving our rich heritage. One thing I make it very clear here, that who do not know the history, they cannot create history. This is the time for ourselves to recall those memories and the present challenges before the community and this community's future plan. Particularly this kind of activities and cultural activities meant for that. Let us continue to honor Kiang Nangbah's memory by safeguarding our traditions as he did, and we must ensure that our future generation understand the values of what he fought for. Before I conclude my speech, many of the dignitaries on there and all of you sitting in front of me, I think probably 9th of this month, January, 9th of coming month, Mahan University, the Honorable President of the Nation, Dr. Murmu, coming to Meghalaya to attend some of the public programs. Whatever the presentation you have given it to me, on behalf of you people, that I assure you, it is not going to be in Rajbhavan, it is going to be in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The same moment, whatever you have been given in form of presentation, same thing we are going to hand over to the President of the Nation. Not only we are going to hand over it, the history of this particular freedom fighter, that also we are going to explain, and this also we are going to hand over to the President of the Nation. And some of the announcement is supposed to be made here. I am not going to make it. Our Commissioner and Secretary to Rajbhavan, he is going to announce those things. I am really grateful to you people for inviting me to come and participate in this, I think, unforgettable moment, unforgettable program. I am really grateful to all of you, and I wish you all the best. And whatever the issue comes, either from this community, either from this side, whatever you people expect from the Rajbhavan, for overall the development of this community, to move forward, all the times I assure you, the Rajbhavan always is with you people. Not only I am going to announce, whenever time permits, whenever you people wish to come and meet me in Rajbhavan, always the doors of Rajbhavan open for you people. Anytime, you can come and meet me for the overall development of this community. Always we are with you.